Welcome my viewers and subscribers. You can see guys, today I do curry chicken. So there it is, nice. Kinda like a peppery, but it will work. Yeah, so it's curry chicken today guys. And over there I have dumpling and banana, plantain and yam. So this is what we're going to do today. So remember guys, subscribe, remember to support my channel, continue support all who've been supporting my channels for past 2 years guys. Thank you very much. If you are still with me, thank you very much. If you're new, welcome. Please continue to subscribe and like my video. I really appreciate it guys. Thank you very much. And here are my dumpling and banana and plantain. Yam is in the bottom, so remember that guys.